I want to share a secret with you, but before I start, I want you to know it's not late to start your online business to become your own boss. Transition from employment to entrepreneurship in 2024. 2024 presents an unprecedented opportunity to start an online business, thanks to technological advancements and a surge in e-commerce. The digital landscape is ripe for innovation, offering countless avenues for entrepreneurial success. Assessing your job satisfaction is crucial before diving into entrepreneurship. Reflect on your current role, identify pain points, and gauge your readiness for change. Self-awareness will guide your transition smoothly. Financial preparation is vital before quitting your job. Establish a savings plan and budget meticulously. A solid financial cushion will provide security and confidence as you embark on your new venture. Identifying viable online business ideas is key to success in 2024. Consider trends, your skills, and market demands. Research thoroughly to pinpoint opportunities that align with your passions and expertise. Understanding your target audience and competition is essential. Conduct market research to gather insights into consumer behavior and industry trends. Knowing your market will help tailor your offerings effectively. Developing essential skills for your online business can be achieved through online courses and certifications. These programs offer flexible learning tailored to your needs, making skill acquisition convenient and effective. Crafting a solid business plan involves outlining your objectives, strategies, and financial projections. This roadmap guides your venture, helping you stay focused and organized as you navigate the entrepreneurial landscape. Testing your business idea as a side hustle allows you to gauge its potential while minimizing risk. It provides valuable insights and helps you refine your approach before committing fully. Legal considerations are crucial when starting your business. Registering your business and understanding relevant regulations ensure compliance, protecting you from potential legal issues, and establishing credibility with customers and partners. Developing a brand identity involves creating a unique name, logo, and website. These elements communicate your business's values and mission, helping you stand out in a crowded market and attract your target audience. Creating a marketing strategy involves leveraging social media, SEO, and content to reach your target audience. Focus on consistent messaging and engaging posts to build a loyal customer base online. Setting up e-commerce platforms requires choosing tools that align with your business needs. Options include Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, each offering various features to streamline the selling process. Building an online presence involves establishing a website, blog, and social media profiles. These platforms showcase your brand, provide valuable content, and facilitate interaction with potential customers. Networking and finding mentors in your industry can provide invaluable insights and support. Attend industry events, join online communities, and seek out experienced professionals willing to share their knowledge. Balancing your job and business requires effective time management. Prioritize tasks, set clear goals, and create a schedule that allows you to progress in both areas without feeling overwhelmed. Securing funding and managing cash flow are crucial for sustaining your online business. Explore various funding options, from personal savings to small business loans. Implement effective budgeting to ensure financial stability. Preparing to resign involves careful planning. Draft a respectful resignation letter and give adequate notice. Maintain professional relationships to leave on good terms, which can be beneficial for future networking opportunities. Transitioning from employee to entrepreneur requires strategic management. Create a detailed plan for your first few months. Stay organized and adaptable to handle the unexpected challenges of your new entrepreneurial journey. Scaling your online business demands a strong strategy. Focus on expanding your product or service offerings and improving customer experience. Invest in marketing and technology to support sustainable growth and increased revenue. Set long-term goals to maintain motivation. Regularly review and adjust these objectives to ensure alignment with your evolving business vision. Stay committed to continuous learning and innovation to achieve lasting success. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to quit your 9-to-5 job. Stay tuned for more.